Punishment is a consequence or result of a wrong committed by a person. Provisions for punishment are provided under Section 53 and Chapter 3 of the IPC. Punishments under Section 53 of IPC: death punishment, imprisonment for life, imprisonment, forfeiture of property, fine under IPC, and solitary confinement. Death punishment. Punishment of death is also known as capital punishment. Under this punishment, a person is hanged till he dies. This punishment is sanctioned by the government and ordered by the court. It is provided only in the rarest of rare cases. Death punishment can be provided for the offences under Section 121, 132, 194, 302, 303, 305, 307, 364A, 376E, 396, and so on of the IPC. In Jagmohan Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh, it was argued that the death penalty is unconstitutional and hence invalid as a punishment. The Supreme Court in Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab upheld the validity of death penalty, but the court restricted the provision of death penalty to the rarest of rare cases only. Imprisonment for life. The words imprisonment for life was substituted for transportation for life by Act 26 of 1955. In this type of punishment, an accused convicted of a crime has to remain in prison until he is alive or until pardoned or otherwise commuted to a fixed period. Imprisonment. It means taking away a person's freedom and putting him in a prison. According to Section 53 of IPC, there are two kinds of imprisonment. Simple imprisonment. It is the type of an imprisonment where an accused convicted of a crime is kept in prison without any hard labor. Rigorous imprisonment. It is the type of an imprisonment under which a prisoner or an accused convicted for a crime is kept in a prison and they have to do a hard labor such as agricultural, carpentry, watering, etc. Forfeiture of property. Forfeiture implies the loss of a property of the accused. Under this punishment, the state seizes the property of a criminal. It is the result of the wrong or default caused by the person. The property forfeited may be movable or immovable. Fine under IPC. The court may impose the punishment of a fine as sole imprisonment or as an alternative for imprisonment or in addition to imprisonment. It depends upon the court to decide whether either imprisonment or fine or both are to be awarded in a particular case. Solitary confinement. It is defined under Section 73 of the IPC. Solitary confinement means keeping the prisoner isolated and away from any kind of intercourse with the outside world. Solitary confinement in no case shall exceed 3 months in total.